Hello guys, this is Anacleto Garcia with Electron Performance. We got an electric Coda. That's an electric car. They only make around 100 of this. We got one, and if you ever wonder what's inside an electric car battery, we're about to find out. So we're going to disassemble this one to use it on another car. We're going to build a electric Mitsubishi Eclipse. It's already built, but we're going to switch from old lead acid batteries to lithium, and this car is no longer working, so we're going to salvage the battery. We're pre-unbolted the battery pack from the car, and we're raising the body on the lift, and we're leaving behind the battery pack on jack stands. You can see where all the connectors used to be. We're pre-disconnected the battery. Also, we disconnect each module from each other because this battery is around 333 volts, so you don't want to get shocked by that much volts. You'll probably die, so don't do this at home. Let the professionals do it. So you see here all the individual cells. There are exactly 728 cells, one of which is little over 3 volts, and they're connected into 16 individual modules. They are from 22 to 15 volts depending on the size, from the big ones to the smaller ones that are on the front. You can see the individual cells, the wiring for the BMS, contactors, connectors, fuses. So you got the fuse here, the negative contactor, positive contactor, pre-charge relay, and the pre-charge resistor, and all the other fuses. Connectors for the battery are the BMS, or little computers that are control and monitor how charged your individual cells are, because if they're going balanced, you probably overcharge one of them and you're gonna kill the cell. So you want to make sure they all the same voltage, all 728 of them. We're about to disassemble it. Hopefully we use all the battery modules on it. That's the contactors, BMS out, and we're gonna start to take it apart. So we're just showing that the boost bars are disconnected for this obvious reasons. If they are disconnected, they're isolated by themselves, and they only have 28 volts, 15 volts depending on the size, and that's not harmful at all. And those are the boost bars that we were talking about. Those goes between each battery module, and if you have them together, will give you over 333 volts, but we don't want that. We're gonna pull one of the modules out. They're pretty heavy, so you can see each individual cell, basically the size of a soap bar. And here you go, here you have it. That's what's inside an electric car battery. They're pretty heavy, pretty complex. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.